Hello and welcome viewers. In today's video we will see the official specifications of Samsung's smartphone Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. So at the beginning I want to say please subscribe my channel to know the updated specifications of new mobile phones. So let's see what is in the official specifications of this phone. The phone has network mode GSM, CDMA, HSPA, eVideo, LTE and 5G. The phone has memory space of 128GB with 12GB of RAM. Another version have 256GB with 12GB of RAM and other version have 512GB with 12GB of RAM. The phone is coming in 3 colors and the 3 colors are Mystic Rose, Mystic Black and Mystic White. The USB has micro USB 3.2 which is type C 1.0 reversible connector with USB on the go. Display has dynamic AMOLED 2x capacitive touch screen, 16 million colors. Display size is 6.9 inches and 91.7% screen to body ratio. The body dimension of the phone is 6.49 into 3.04 into 0.32 inches and weight 208 grams. The phone has Android 10 operating system and the chipset Qualcomm SM8250 Snapdragon 865 Plus, which is used in Samsung's high-range sets, and the CPU is getting octa-core 2x2.73 GHz Mongezo M5 and 2x2.50 GHz Cortex A76 and 4x2.0 GHz Cortex A55. Fingerprint under display, ultrasonic sensor, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, barometer and the others. Battery lithium polymer 4500 mAh with non-removable and fast charging 25 watt. The phone has single SIM, nano SIM or eSIM. There is a loudspeaker for sound but no 3.5mm jack for audio output. You get the main camera triple 108 megapixel with flash 1.8 26mm wide and 12 megapixel with flash 3.0 120mm telephoto, and another half 12 megapixel flash 2.2 120 degree 13mm ultra wide. Video type facility at the maximum of 4K 60 frames per second and get a selfie camera single 10 megapixel with flash 2.4. So friends, this was the official specifications of today's Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G model. Those who like to use high range of smartphone and want to buy a good phone from Samsung can take it without any hesitation, and I will definitely come up with the unboxing of the set. Then stay healthy, stay well, goodbye.